In this video, I will tell you how to cancel your MoneyLion subscription or membership. So first, what you need to do is open the MoneyLion app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, look to the bottom navigation bar and tap on the profile icon. From here, scroll down until you reach the settings option and tap on it. Inside settings, you'll find a section for managing your membership or subscription. Tap on that and you'll see details of your current plan. Now, select the cancel option. At this point, the app will show you a message asking if you're sure about ending your membership. Simply tap continue to move forward. In some cases, MoneyLion may request verification or give you a few reminders about the features you'll lose after canceling. Follow the prompts until the cancellation is finalized. To be safe, make sure your email notifications are enabled so you can receive confirmation once your subscription has been successfully canceled. If you run into any issues, you can always contact MoneyLion customer support directly through the app for assistance. They're usually quick to help confirm your cancellation. And that's all you need to do to cancel your MoneyLion subscription or membership. Thanks for watching.